There are so many tools to help with neck pain. As a matter of fact, it affects around 50% of people at a given time, which is why there are so many of them. This is Estelle, and today I'm going to break down what this is, how to use it, and if it's even worth having, all from the expertise of a medical massage therapist. Hey Nova, what's up? Oh, don't worry. They know to like, follow, and subscribe. Everyone wants to empower their healing. This tool is called a lymphatic drainage for the neck. However, when you look closely at the description, they talk a lot about posture. This is a common trap. While poor posture can have a small effect on edema, what really hurts you is a lack of movement. When I tested this tool, I wore it for hours and had no effect. The gentle vibration when your posture is off actually feels nice, but then ends up being an incentive to have bad posture. This tool, in my opinion, is not worth the expense and is marketed in a very misleading way. 2 thumbs down. If there's a product you want me to review next, leave it in the comments. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below if you have any questions.